The definition of the science of mind that I love to read says the science of mind is based entirely on the supposition that we are surrounded by a universal mind into which we think. This mind in its original state fills all space with its presence. Since it fills all space, it fills the space that we use in the universe. It is in us as well as around us. As we think into this universal mind, we set in motion a law which is creative and which contains within itself limitless possibility. So it is the space of miracles. I love it.